Hello, I'm Michael Schuil. I'm one of the founding partners of our company. Started in 1983. For over 30 years, I was the managing broker. I was in partnership with my brother Mark and Rick, and we helped grow the company and handed over the keys to the next generation, and they've just done a tremendous job with it. So I've been doing this a long time. I do just about any type of farm property except for dairies. I let our dairy division handle that. That takes a certain amount of expertise, but I handle everything from tree fruit to vineyards to citrus to nuts to grazing land to open land. I enjoy it. I enjoy working with people, and any kind of farm other than dairy, that's what I do. So the best way to get a hold of me is either through my phone number, my cell number, which is 559-859-0034. You can call me or text me, or my email is real easy. It's mike@schuil.com. That's SCHUIL.com. And of course, we've got a tremendous website. You can always click on Schuil.com, and all my information's there as well. Thank you.